So, how do you restore a lost file on Google Drive? So, to start off, I've already opened up Google Drive in my account, and here you just need to find the file that you want to restore. So, for example, I've accidentally deleted this file, so let's remove that. So, now that you remove the file, you just need to head over to trash. Oh wait, that's not my file. So sorry for that. That's not my file. So let's say on the pros and cons, let's remove that. So move to trash. So as you can see, the file has been moved to trash. So this is usually what happens if you lost a file. It would automatically go to trash, or it could have been sent to spam. So do note that items are permanently removed after 30 days. So you need to double check it if you have items on the spam or in the trash, since trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. So just need to check all the items that is currently in both of this, so spam and trash. And if you want to restore the file, you just need to click on the triple dot and click on restore. So after that, that basically restores the file back to your drive, as you can see. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.